Hello, CRN community. Welcome back to the CRN Technical Series, where we take you step by step through the essential cybersecurity concept in a simple and practical way. In today's episode, we are going into the one of the most exciting critical area of cybersecurity, that is malware analysis. How to detect, analyze, and understand the malicious software. So, what is malware? So, malware stands for malicious software that is designed to harm, exploit, or steal information from computers and networks. These included viruses, trojans, worms, ransomware, spyware, adware, and many more. So, for example, remember the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017? It infected hundreds of thousands of computers in over 150 countries. It encrypted files and demanded Bitcoin payments to unlock them. That's malware at work. So what is malware analysis? So malware analysis is the process of studying malware to understand what it does, how it spreads, and how to detect or remove it. This helps cybersecurity teams build better defense, signatures, and responses to the similar threats. There are two main types of malware analysis. The first one is static analysis. It is looking at the file without running it, and dynamic analysis. It is running the file in the control lab, that is called sandbox, to observe the behavior. So there are different tools which is used by the beginners. Uh, the static analysis tools are peStudio, Bintex, VirusTotal, Yara, and Gida, which is used for reverse engineering. And for the dynamic analysis tools, we have Cuckoo Sandbox, Any.Run, Quackmon, that is process monitor, Wireshark for the network traffic, and Mandate Redline. So always run dynamic analysis in the isolated virtual machine or sandbox, never on your host system. So why should we learn malware analysis? Because malware analysis is the powerful skills. It helps to identify advanced threats, to create the ERA rules for detection, to strengthen incident responses. It gives you the understanding of attack techniques and learning the reverse engineering. And guess what? Roles like malware analyst, threat hunter, and reverse engineer are in high demand in the cybersecurity job market. So how to get started in malware analysis? So for the beginners, learn the basics of how operating systems and executables work, especially for Windows. Practice safe malware analysis and try hack me malware analysis rooms. Start with tools like peStudio and Redline. Learn about the ERA and write your first detection rule and watch malware sandbox walkthrough on the YouTube channels. So some of the resources are practical malware analysis book, malware unicorn blog, and Flag VM that is used for malware analysis environment. If you found this topic exciting, leave a comment and let us know which tool you would like to explore more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the CRN's YouTube channel. Next week, we will be taking another crucial topic, that is endpoint security and EDR, why it's your first line of defense. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep learning with CRN. Thank you.